Going to be mastering the PAE graph. First, we're going to look up here in the top left and look at the equation we're going to be using, which is PAE, planned aggregate expenditure equals A, also known as autonomous expenditure, plus B, also known as marginal propensity to consume, times Y, which is our GDP. So we're going to come down here to below the graph. We're going to look at this practice equation. So this is PAE equals 200 plus 2 over 3 times Y. So first we're going to figure out what this 200 means out of our autonomous expenditure. So what this means on the graph is this is our y-intercept. This is where we're going to start our line, our aggregate expenditure line. And this 2 over 3 is our marginal propensity, also known as our slope. So this means that every time we rise by 2, we run by 3. So rise over run. So we go up by 2, 400, 600, we go over by 3, which I didn't graph the x-intercept, but we'll go over like to about right here, and then we'll do that again, go over by about 2, go to about right here. This basically just means that we're going more on the x-axis, like we're going along the x-axis more than we're going up the y. So this is about the aggregate expenditure line we would get. Now, to understand, so another thing about the PAE graph that we use it for is to find Keynesian equilibrium. One way to do this is by using the equation. We just throw in a number and we test it. The Keynesian equilibrium is y equals PAE. So there's an easy way to test it with the equation, but another way to do it with the graph is just to draw a 45-degree angle. Let me fix this line here. Yeah, you just draw a 45-degree angle, and then where this 45-degree angle and your aggregate expenditure line cross over is where your Keynesian equilibrium is. So with this equation that we have, sorry, I'm a bad drawer, but with this equation we would have a 600, and if I graphed better, it would be easier to see. But yeah, a trick to find Keynesian equilibrium really easily with a graph is to use this line, and this is basically all you need to know about the PAE graph and how to utilize it to understand everything in this chapter.